Have you ever wondered how to talk about your day in Khmer language? From waking up in the morning to eating breakfast, going to school or work, and even relaxing in the evening. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to describe your daily routine in Khmer language with simple sentences, easy pronunciation, and English translations so you can speak like a local. Are you ready? Let's start. ជំរាបសួរ Welcome to Rin Khmer, your best companion for your journey of learning Khmer language. In this channel, you will be able to find many Khmer lessons, specially prepared for foreigners who are interested in learning Cambodian language. If you are new to this channel and also interested to learn more about this language, please do not forget to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get the notification whenever we upload any new videos or lesson. You can also find us on TikTok with the same name, Rien Khmer. And for your information, Rien means study or learn, and Khmer is the language of the Cambodia. So Rien Khmer simply means study or learn Khmer language. My daily routine ទម្លាប់ប្រចាំថ្ងៃរបស់ខ្ញុំទម្លាប់ប្រចាំថ្ងៃរបស់ខ្ញុំ I would suggest you to create some sentences based on your own routine as well after you follow along my examples. And feel free to drop in the comment below to share with me and everyone. We will be very happy to read all of them. Morning routine ទម្លាប់ពេលព្រឹកទម្លាប់ពេលព្រឹក I wake up at 5 ខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ពីគេងម៉ោង5ខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ពីគេងម៉ោង5 I get up at 6ខ្ញុំក្រោកពីគេងម៉ោង6ខ្ញុំក្រោកពីគេងម៉ោង6 I take a shower ខ្ញុំងូតទឹកខ្ញុំងូតទឹក I get dressed ខ្ញុំស្លៀកពាក់ខ្ញុំស្លៀកពាក់ Or we can also say ខ្ញុំរៀបចំខ្លួនខ្ញុំរៀបចំខ្លួន I have breakfast at 6:30ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកម៉ោង6កន្លះ ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកម៉ោង6កន្លះ I go to school at 7ខ្ញុំទៅសាលារៀនម៉ោង7ខ្ញុំទៅសាលារៀនម៉ោង7 I go to work at 7:30ខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការម៉ោង7កន្លះខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើការម៉ោង7កន្លះ I like drinking coffee in the morning ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តផឹកកាហ្វេពេលព្រឹកខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តផឹកកាហ្វេពេលព្រឹក You might notice when you want to mention the time that you do some activities, you just say the word "mao" and then plus the time. For example, at 7, "mao prampi." "Mao prampi." This is when you want to mention a specific time. And if you have like the duration from sometime to sometime. For example, from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. you can say ចាប់ពីម៉ោង7ដល់ម៉ោង12ចាប់ពីម៉ោង7ដល់ម៉ោង12 So from we say ចាប់ពី to ដល់ But in spoken language for the word from you can just say ពី People can also understand I work from 8 to 11 ខ្ញុំធ្វើការពីម៉ោង8ដល់ម៉ោង11ខ្ញុំធ្វើការពីម៉ោង8ដល់ម៉ោង11 I study from Monday to Saturday ខ្ញុំរៀនពីថ្ងៃច័ន្ទដល់ថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ខ្ញុំរៀនពីថ្ងៃច័ន្ទដល់ថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ And if you want to mention like how many hours you do an activity, for example, I study for 4 hours. ខ្ញុំរៀន4ម៉ោងខ្ញុំរៀន4ម៉ោង The simple and easy way to talk about this, you just need to say how many, the number of hours, and then the word ម៉ោង For example, 2 hours, 2ម៉ោង2ម៉ោង Similarly, if you want to mention like how many days you do an activity, like I work for 5 days. ខ្ញុំធ្វើការ5ថ្ងៃខ្ញុំធ្វើការ5ថ្ងៃ I don't work on weekends ខ្ញុំមិនធ្វើការថ្ងៃចុងសប្តាហ៍ទេខ្ញុំមិនធ្វើការថ្ងៃចុងសប្តាហ៍ទេ I have lunch at home ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំបាយថ្ងៃត្រង់នៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំញ៉ាំបាយថ្ងៃត្រង់នៅផ្ទះ For the word lunch, the commonly used in daily life language is បាយថ្ងៃត្រង់ But if you want to be more formal or professional, we say អាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់អាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់ I have lunch at school ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំបាយថ្ងៃត្រង់នៅសាលារៀនខ្ញុំញ៉ាំបាយថ្ងៃត្រង់នៅសាលារៀន I go back home at 5 ខ្ញុំចូលផ្ទះម៉ោង5ខ្ញុំចូលផ្ទះម៉ោង5 Sometimes I meet my friends ពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំជួបមិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំជួបមិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំ I have dinner with my family I have dinner with my family ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំបាយល្ងាចជាមួយគ្រួសារខ្ញុំខ្ញុំញ៉ាំបាយល្ងាចជាមួយគ្រួសារខ្ញុំ I watch TV ខ្ញុំមើលទូរទស្សន៍ខ្ញុំមើលទូរទស្សន៍ I read books ខ្ញុំអានសៀវភៅខ្ញុំអានសៀវភៅ I study online ខ្ញុំរៀនអនឡាញខ្ញុំរៀនអនឡាញ I do my homework ខ្ញុំធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះខ្ញុំ ធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះ I listen to music ខ្ញុំស្ដាប់ចម្រៀង ខ្ញុំស្ដាប់ចម្រៀង I play games ខ្ញុំលេងហ្គេម ខ្ញុំលេងហ្គេម I go to bed at 9 ខ្ញុំចូលគេងម៉ោង 9 ខ្ញុំចូលគេងម៉ោង 9 I sleep for 8 hours ខ្ញុំគេង 8 ម៉ោង ខ្ញុំគេង 8 ម៉ោង I stay up late ខ្ញុំនៅដល់យប់ជ្រៅ ខ្ញុំនៅដល់យប់ជ្រៅ I must go to bed early ខ្ញុំត្រូវឆាប់ចូលគេង ខ្ញុំត្រូវឆាប់ចូលគេង Now it's your turn. Please spend some time trying to think of your own daily routine and then write or just try to speak in Khmer language as much as you can, and hopefully you can understand well how to speak about your daily routine in my language. If you have any doubt or any questions, you can drop down in the comments, or you can even write me an email into my mailbox, and I will try to reply as soon as I can. And this should be all for the video. Orkon means thank you. Thank you for spending time watching and following the video until the end. And once again, if you are interested in learning Khmer language, please do not forget to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload any new video or lessons, you will get notified instantly. See you in the next videos. អរគុណច្រើន ជម្រាបលា